Rock and roll, living dream, super excited. It's almost a year since this COVID start, and this has been my best year ever. You know what that means? This has been my best year ever. Do you know why? I'm outside, I'm rock and roll, I'm meeting people, and I'm eating my bananas. What the heck? Every day I get recharged to ecstatic jubilation, to raring to go, to feeling the energy of life forces within me. Fruit is the key. That's why, as a young man who's 73, going on 47, I rock. I understand how life works. That in order to rock, you have to eat the life forces. What does that mean? And this is for everyone to understand. It's really so easy. 4 words. Yummy to the tummy. In a raw state, eat as much as you can and enjoy it. For me, it's bananas, watermelon, blackberries, avocados, dates. That's my sources of recharge. And I see it all the time. People in their homes, they're waiting. I don't know what they're waiting for, but they're waiting. They're waiting for the glories of science to create this chemical concoction. This chemical concoction, so they can put it in their arm and be recharged. I'm not saying that's wrong. I'm not saying that's right. God's food, God's garden, God's body, God's law is my everyday source of recharging. Every single day, which is why best year ever at 73. Next year will be 47. It'll be even better. I don't know. I just felt inspired to say this because I see people are just waiting for their vaccine, and I'm charged. This best year ever this year. Bye for now.